So I got these super bright LED lights from Hyperlite. They sent these to us to test out and review. They're very, very bright LEDs. I'm gonna hang them up in the shop here. I've got two of them that are gonna go in the shop, and one of them that's gonna go outside is our parking lot light. So very big, lots of LEDs. This is the parking lot light one, which is huge and super bright. We just plugged it in, but we'll test it out in a little bit. Here's the Hyperlite box here. So it's 150 watts that it actually pulls. It's 5000 K is the lumen color of the light. Goes very nicely. It's got a hook that you can hang from it. It does have a plug. So it comes with a regular plug, and then there's wires that are actually on it here that you can hook up to a dimmer if you want to have it adjustable like that. But yeah, it's got a threaded in the end, and then we use this hook. Got there, screw that in. Run that screw in there that'll lock it in. And then this screw here, once I hook it through the hole, we put it back in and it locks it in our plate. Lots of LEDs. Very, very, very bright. Not sure how many lumens it is. Probably says in here somewhere. 150 watt one that we have is 21,000 lumens. That is bright. I mean, it's like night and day in here, literally. Rick's helping me hook up a new light up there. One of the Hyperlite LEDs. So that Hyperlite LED we installed really brightens up my tool area here. I will show you the before and after here. It really makes makes it visible to like read my socket sizes and stuff. It's very, very bright in the shop.
Knock me off, Karen.
What if it slides on the tree?
Don't be mentioning that shit. I'm trying to stay focused here.
Okay, I think that's high enough.
Okay.
No more.
No more,
Rick,
no more.
Okay. Here. Okay, what angle do you want?
it doesn't matter.
Okay, do you want it over here?
No, probably towards you. Like that.
Right there? That's the angle you want? Or you
Yep,
want?
that's good.
I like it just right. boss, how far?
Yeah, probably, maybe not that high. Down a little bit more, I think. Probably down a little bit more, right about there, I think.
Yeah, it looks good from back here.
Worst case scenario, I can come, I'll be able to tip it down.
That's using your head, buddy.
Heck it. Yeah, okay, let me phrase that. Do you have any zip ties?
Yes. I actually snap ties.
Funny man.
Break off some branches and wrap it around there.
What if we throw the cord through the, up over the,
Yeah. Especially since you gave it to me in a knot.
I don't think it's in a knot, I think it's just caught.
Really?
Consider that to me. Just unplug it and do it.
So says the man who's all safely on the ground.
Kate did so well.
We are getting blinded. So Scott's trying to pull it down some.
Good?
I would pull it down more.
Well, I'm looking at the bus.
Okay.
I'm blind now.
I am too. It's blinding me standing here.
I don't think it's the angle it has to be.
That's probably good. We'll see how that goes.
Here's the nice bright security light we have. Parking area here, and then you can see how dark the shop is at night. And I will turn on the other lights in just a minute and shoot another video when I take Leroy in here. There's the shop lit up at night with just 2 of the Hyperlights. That's all it's on right now. Look how bright it is in there. The only light out here now is just the one security light. It's illuminating the building.